In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate a Leadpages landing page with a custom payment gateway, a task you can complete in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're using Stripe or another platform, integrating a payment gateway is essential for facilitating transactions directly from your landing page. So let's get started. First things first, go ahead and log into your custom payment gateway account. This could be Stripe or another platform of your choice. Once you're logged in, locate the option to create a payment button for your product or service. This button is a vital component as it directly connects your clients to the payment process. After you've set up this button, your gateway will provide you with a snippet of HTML code. Make sure to copy this code. This will be pivotal as we move over to Leadpages in just a moment. Now, open your browser and search for Leadpages. Check to ensure you click on the legitimate link to Leadpages' website. Once there, log into your Leadpages account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, creating one is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. After logging in, navigate to the Sites tab on Leadpages. This is where you'll manage all your sites and landing pages. You can either choose an existing site to edit or set up a brand new one. Creating a new site allows for customization right from the start, but for today, feel free to use whichever suits your needs best. Next, within the Leadpages landing page editor, you'll want to locate the HTML widget. This tool is specifically designed to allow you to add custom elements to your site. Once you've found the HTML widget, drag and drop it onto your landing page. This small but mighty action is what will allow you to insert the payment button we set up earlier on your payment gateway. Once the widget is in place, paste the HTML code from your payment gateway into the settings of this widget. Ensure that you paste the whole snippet, and double-check that the code is correct to avoid any later issues. With the HTML code properly placed within the widget, be sure to save all your changes in the editor. This step is crucial to ensure nothing is lost as you make adjustments. Once saved, go ahead and publish your Leadpages landing page. By doing this, your payment button is now live and ready for transactions. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated a custom payment gateway into your Leadpages landing page. With this setup, customers visiting your page can seamlessly proceed with purchases, streamlining your business operation. Remember, testing your button to ensure everything runs smoothly before going live is always a wise step. Thank you for following along, and I hope this has been helpful. Tune in for more tutorials on enhancing and optimizing your digital tools.